Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on Audacity, and today's video I'm going to show you the interface of how this software is. And without much ado, let's get started. Remember to subscribe, like and comment on this video. In our last class I showed you how you can install and also update Audacity new version. And today I just want to see the interface of how this software is and then how it works. So one thing about this software is that it is very easy and then is very direct. It doesn't really confusing. So the first thing we have to talk about is, at this file we have new, want to open a new document. We want to open an existing one. These are the recent file. If you want to close, you press on Ctrl W. Export is very important. And aside from export, we have other ones that are very good, and also import. We are going to surely talk about this as the tutorial is going. And then another thing is, can do some editing in this place, and all these select tracks, and then view. We can actually zoom. All these things are not showing because we have not import any audio files into the workspace inside this place. And transport, it's very important. We have the tracks can generate some sound in this place, and then you can actually play with it. And then these are the effects. These are a good effects inside this very place. Then you can analyze, and you can all these things are very good. For the sake of this tutorial, let me import one audio files so that at least we could see how this thing work. So I'm looking for a simple, okay, let me use this. So the next class is going to talk on how to import. So this one is just an introductory class. Oh, this is very heavy, so I'm going to stop it and cancel. Let me just look for something that is not that heavy, and the timing is not too much. Okay, let me drop this and see. Oh, this is not a recognized something. Okay, okay, this one is about 52 seconds. I think this should easily work. So can you see, this is a jingle that I actually did on the Audacity, and then I did some editing. And then
Good day, somebody is here with me in the studio. Your name and what do you have for us, sir?
this software is very good. And
Somebody is here with
now
me in the studio.
this is what I'm trying to show
Good
you
day, somebody is
before.
here.
Now if you click on file, you could see that this is the export. You want to export as mp3, want to export as wave, export as ogg. I want to export the audio and export in multiple. And if you go to effect, you're going to see some great effect in this place. They are very great effects that by the time you begin to make use of it, you really understand it. Then another thing you really have to consider is this place. It is for recording, and this red thing. Now if I click on it, you see I've already started recording, and anything I said is going to actually show. I'm not actually using the microphone. I'm using an external microphone, and that is why it's so low here. And if I try to play, we may hear it, and we may not even hear anything. You see the sound is very low. but it's just an introductory class, and that's just the way how to record. And another thing is your recording level is very important. So you don't need to, you see, I put it to 0.76, and this is the playing level, and this one is for speed. That is, if I want it to be first. And another interface that you really have to know is the zooming.
Osun State.
Oh,
From where
if I click on zoom,
possible through our
this
quality
is a zoom in, because it is zooming. When you zoom in, you're able to see the wave file very well. They zoom in, you can see these are the wave file, up, down, amplitude, you can see. And when you zoom out, it's gonna give you something like this. And this one is for fitting selection, and why this is zoom to go. See, all these tools are very important, and this one is for monitoring. Like if I play now,
Good day, somebody is here with me in the studio.
see,
Your name and what do you have for us, sir? Hi, I'm Hayomide John, a representative of King's Tutorial.
it's
At King's
monitoring
Tutorial, we
in
prepare
this place.
students for you.
I'll tell you how all this thing works in by the time we are importing things. Then what other thing? Okay, I've shown you the effect, and those is view, they are still useful. And if you want to close this software, probably if you want to save, you click on save as the normal work. If you want to save, and if you want to close it, you're closing this place. Let's assume that I don't want to save. I click on this red, it says save project before closing. If I don't click on yes, I may not be able to retrieve the work again. So let me click on no, and then Audacity has been closed. So let me open it again. As I open, Audacity is you see, come back, and then in this place. So this is just the interface of this software, and there is the speaker. Like if you want to play back and if you want to record, this is it. And then you can change your microphone. You see, I have more than 4 here. Don't worry, we still have a lot to do in that place. So this is just a little we can talk about in in Audacity tutorial. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can import audio, and that is one of the real work. All right, see you in the next video.